Security guard po ako, sir. Tanong po, may additional 30% pay ba sa sweldo ko if duty ako pag Sunday? Good question, sir. Sige po, ito yung answer po. Unang-una, friends, ang sagot natin is based from research at simplihan natin ang explanation para maintindihan po ni sir. Ito na po, weekly rest day, sir. An employer is required to provide each of his employees a rest period of not less than 24 consecutive hours after every 6 consecutive normal work days, as stated in Article 91 of the Philippine Labor Code. The employer shall determine and schedule the weekly rest day of the employees. He must respect the preference of employees as to the weekly rest day when such preference is based on religious grounds. Simply said, sir, every 6 working days, no, may rest day talaga tayo. Nasa Article 91 po yan ng Labor Code. And aware po ang employer niyan. Kasi dapat talaga sa isang week, may rest day po ang employee para makarest naman. So, ang employer po ang mag-decide kung kailan po ang rest day ng employee. Pero kung may request ang employee na Sunday po yung rest day niya, kasi Catholic siya or any religion, tapos may simba sila sa Sunday, i-consider po yan ng employer kasi based po yan sa religious grounds. If an employer requires the employee to work on his scheduled rest day, he shall be paid an additional compensation of at least 30% of his regular wage. Ayan po yung tanong ni sir kanina. Kung ang employer mismo, sir, nagsabi sa iyo na overtime ka sa rest day mo na Sunday, if Sunday talaga yung rest day mo, meron kang additional 30% pay po sa sweldo ninyo. So, ibig sabihin, sir, yung regular wage ninyo po, kung magkano yan, plus 30% po, if rest day po ninyo, pina-duty kayo ng employer ninyo, sir. The answer po is yes. So again, sir, ang security guard po ay merong right, no? Right to rest day. So, tandaan niyo po, after 6 working days, for example, Monday to Saturday, work kayo, 6 days yan straight. After 7 days po na Sunday, rest day niyo po. Yan, dapat. May weekly rest day kayo. Sabihan niyo yung employer ninyo. Pwede rin mag-duty kayo ng ibang schedule. Basta po straight na 6 working days. Tapos sa 7th day, rest day nyo talaga yan. Dapat mag-rest kayo, sir, as security guard kasi delikado ang stress ngayon. Once na stress tayo, sir, malapit tayo sa mga sakit. Yan ang cause ng sakit po. So, wag kayo mag-overwork, over-fatigue. Tandaan nyo po, hindi kayo machine. Kailangan meron tayong rest po. Wag lang pera-pera, sir, kasi delikado yan. Mag-rest din tayo. Anyway, kung Sunday po yung duty niyo tapos rest day kayo, tapos kaya niyo naman, yung tanong niyo kanina, meron bang 30% pay? The answer is yes. Yan po. Hope na nasagot ko yung question, sir. Keep watching my channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.